Hey everyone, Samsung is stirring up a lot of excitement with its upcoming Galaxy S24 series launch on January 17th. Even before the big reveal, leaks and rumors are giving us a sneak peek at what we can expect. The big talk is all about the S24 Ultra and its new look. It's ditching the curved screen of its predecessors for a sleek, flat design. This change isn't just about looks, it also includes a revamped camera setup. The traditional 10x periscope lens is making way for a powerful 50-megapixel telephoto lens. Under the hood, the S24 Ultra is expected to pack the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor. As for the standard S24 and S24 Plus, they might come with Samsung's own Exynos 2400 chip in certain regions. What's really exciting is the buzz about advanced AI features in these phones, which should be a big draw for tech lovers. We're still in the dark about the official details and pricing, but these new models are shaping up to be a blend of style and high-tech performance. They seem like they'll appeal to both longtime Samsung fans and those new to the brand. Keep an eye out for more updates as we get closer to the launch date. Peace out, and stay excited for what's coming up.